Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing a video card from SAPPHIRE. It's SAPPHIRE Pulse AMD Radeon RX 5700, overclock HDMI and whatnot, 7 nanometers, RDNA architecture, 8 GB of memory, supports PCI Express 4. Some features and specifications on the back, which I'm not gonna bore you with. And let's open the box. Nothing else in the box. This. Some foam fabric on the top, SAPPHIRE technology, whatever, installation guide, okay, the card itself and nothing else. So let's take this away, and here's the card. Wrapped in bubble wrap, and here it is. Nice 95mm fans, 1 8 and 1 6 pin connectors, bias switch, metal backplate which also has some pads on some particular places like VRMs and stuff. 3 heat pipes, one here and another 2 on the bottom. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. The shroud on the front is plastic. It's open from here, so it can blow this way. As you can see, the fins are in this direction, all of them. The card is 2 point something slots wide, so it will not fit in any limited to 2 slots places. The back plate is cut out, so it can vent out hot air from here as well, and from here. Nice. It's quite high as well. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. Bye!